Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are continuing with our topic, which was transposing tunes up or down. So till now in previous two videos we have done the transposition of minor second and major second and minor and major third. So today we are going to do the transposition in perfect fourth and fifth. So if you say, let's say if I make here from C, okay, now if you see, as a C major scale, so if you take the fourth interval, so then you go 1 2 3 4 5, okay, so 5 semitones and you will reach to your fourth interval. Okay, now if we do it from A minor, so we have to start from A minor, so this is 1 2 3 4 and 5, so we reach to D. So that means you see there is no difference between, in minor scale also it is the same distance, and in major scale it was the same distance. So I hope you understood this. If you still have doubt, just let me know in the comment section, so I'll help you out more. So let's straight away jump into the question. So here we have to do transpose the melody down a perfect fourth. Okay, so this is first we have to check. So there are two sharps, so either it is D major, okay, or it is B minor. Now for a doubt of B minor, let's check there's an accidental, so there are no accidentals, so that means we are at D major. Now if we have to transpose from D major to perfect fourth, so we are here at D, so 1, then C is 2, B is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. We reach to A major. Okay, so that means we have to transpose it to A major. So let's make it. So this is our alto clef. A major, we have three sharps, F, C and G. Okay, time signature 3 4. Now let's transpose it. So this note will go down here, continue slowly, and go here, this one goes, then the rest and rest. Let's put the temp. Okay, and here we finish this question. So this is our down a perfect fourth. Okay, let's move to the next one. So next one we have transpose the following melody up a perfect fourth. That means now we have to move up a perfect fourth, that is 5 semitones. So let's check what is the time signature is common. The key signature is either C major or it is A minor. Okay, now just check if there are any accidentals. So we see there are no accidentals, right? So that means this is a major scale. Now from there, if we check from, let's see, You have to go down. Okay, now if you have to check the perfect fourth interval here, so if we are at C major and we go up a fourth, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we reach to F major. Okay, that means we have to transpose it to F major from C major. So let's go it, let's make it. So first we'll make the clef. After that, let's make the key signature. For F major, we know it is B flat. So B flat would be here in the second space. Okay, let's do time signature here and the bar lines. Now let's transpose it. So this is right now we are at C, D, E. Okay, so now from E, it will go to 2 steps up. We're gonna reach here with the ledger line. That would be here. Down, down, then here on the line, go up again, come back down, 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 go back up here. Bar line, let's make it here. Little shift here. Okay, now it goes to up, second ledger line, below second ledger line and the ledger line here. Now let's do the bottom one as well. So we transpose here, then we go up the ledger line, again here, bar line, let's put it here, again same place, up and then back down here. Okay, let's put the stems now. It's here, it's triplet, down, again a triplet, down, again a triplet, down, this one is triplet as well, down, triplet, down, triplet, again, and let's put this one, where is this? Okay, there's staccato, so you can see there are staccatos there. There's some more here and here. Okay, so that's how we finish this one. So I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the next one. Next one we have is in perfect fifth. So we have to melody down a perfect fifth. Okay, so let's find out which key is it. So this is, we have to find either is one flat is there. So one flat means either this is F major, either this is F major, or this is D minor. Okay, now we'll check the accidental. So accidentals, we can see this is a treble clef. We can see the accidental is on B note. So this is B note. Then there is and on G note. Okay, now let's see if it is minor and we write the D minor scale, that is D, E, F, G, A, B, C and D. Okay, now in this one G note is, they've shifted the G as sharp. That means it's an accidental. And then B is, they're shifting. It was supposed to be flat. They raised it by one note. Okay. So that means this is not a minor scale because we are making the change into the 6th and 4th degree only. So this is not a minor scale. Okay. So this is definitely a major scale. Now if we transpose from F major to a perfect fifth, now let's check that one. That from, we'll make a small keyboard again. Okay. So we are at F major, right? And we have to go down a fifth. So that means we note 7 semitones. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That means we are here at B flat. Okay, the 7th semitone would be B flat. So we will reach to B flat major. So let's write it down. So we are at treble clef. Let's put the clef first. Okay, let's put the bar lines here. We'll put the key signature. So we are at B flat now. So we reach to B flat major. Okay, so B flat major are 2 flats. One is B and one is E flat. B flat and E flat. Let's put the time signature, that is 2 2. Now we'll transpose it. So we go down, so we reach here straight away. The bar line, this becomes C, A, go to C again, the dot, then D, E, crochet rest, A, bar line, F, and D, G, then A. Let's do the second line. Now this one we shift down to B and shift to 1 at a time. Bar line. Let's put the stems. Accidental, we have to remember that this was raised here, so we have to raise here as well. Okay, this become natural. Again, we'll raise this one as natural. Together here as well, raise by semitone here as well. This becomes sharp because originally is natural. 8th note, this one raise, this was from flat to natural. Let's put the stems here. Okay, so we finished this question. Let's move to the next one. In the next one, we have transpose the following melody up a perfect fifth. That means now we have to move up a perfect fifth. So let's see first which key signature is this. This is bass clef. We have 1 sharp. 1 sharp means either this is G major or this is E minor. Okay, let's find if there are any accidentals. Here there are accidentals. So which are those? So if we are at minor and let's say E, F. E minor. Now if this is a minor scale, then they should be changing the 6th and the 7th one. So let's find, this is bass clef, third space is our E. Okay, so E has raised by, and then we have G here, G has been raised, and then G has changed. So that means there is no change in the 6th and the 7th degree. That means this is only a major scale. This is G major scale. And now if we transpose from G major, so let's do the transposition over here. So let's start from, we have to go up, right? So G, A, B, C and D. So let's check. There are 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we reach the 7th semitone, that is D for perfect 5th. So we have to move to D major. So D major has 2 sharps. So let's make that. This is bass clef and 2 sharp, that is our F sharp and our C sharp. Okay, time signature is 3/4. Let's move up. So this goes to the first note, shift 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be your middle C. Close the bar. Next would be your B with sharp only. So we have to, let's put the accidental also right now, because it was raised in the original piece, so we have to raise here as well. Next we go again, close the bar. It's again middle C, close the bar, again middle C, it's a tie note. Okay, then we have one higher with sharp. Let's close the bar. We have higher 2 ledger lines. This will go 2 ledger lines higher. Let's put a bar line. Then we have one up with the sharp, because it needs to be raised here as well. Dot here. Again, we turn it back to natural. Bar close. Then we go same note with a tie. Let's put the stem. And let's put the tie notes here. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll do the transposition in minor and major 6th and major and minor 7th. Okay, so till then, I hope this video will help you out. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.